In this pen we are using 0.4. It's automatic. The calibrated this thing is already inside. It's just for you to set it. Okay, there's the strength, there's the vaccine. Here's the way that it's going to be. Okay. These are our eggs. We are in our laying bed. We want to give vaccine called Komarov vaccine. It's against Newcastle disease. We are giving it to our layers. We don't do Lasota. We don't give our laying birds Lasota. We give them NDK, that is Komarov vaccine, to prevent them coming down from Newcastle disease. This is very, very okay. Once they take this vaccine, their production is going to increase, and the egg size is also going to increase. The birds is going to be free from Newcastle for the period of 3 months. If it's Lasota vaccine, you give them monthly, but this one, there is a lot of advantages on it. If you give them this one, there will be nothing like failure, vaccine failure. It's injection. So this is the vaccine.